jotono haino hai lamsogo ani channel tini ang norokni bagwi tai kaisa haino hai swrwngmung tubui phaikya abo wngkha current affairs hai ke ba GK October talni 2002 bisini ani thani jek information tongo aborong ang norok bai share khaina muchungo tai o je question jara competitive exam roknai rokni bagwi belaki helpful ngnai obono khakaoino ang o questions rok norok bai share khaina musungkha faidi haikeleria oi o questions rok no naileyana norok screen on ugui mankhana CAQ October 2022 current affairs quiz ba question amde hai oro norok nugui mankhana first question wngkha which institution unveiled a list of 50 exclusive and iconic heritage textiles crafts of India? Opening correct answer ke option A UNESCO. Number 2, which country has recently signed a partnership agreement with Pacific Island nations? Correct answer option B USA. Number 3, as per a recent UNICEF report, what percent of child marriage can fall down if higher education is provided to girls? Correct answer option D 80%. Number 4, Enceladus Enceladus, which was seen in the news, is a moon of which planet? Opening correct answer okay? Option B Saturn. Number 5, Goram Joshua, who was also known as People's Poet, is from which state? Opening correct answer okay? Option B Andhra Pradesh. Number 6, which financial service company partnered with NASCOM Foundation for Women Empowerment through Technology Project? Omani correct answer okay? Option A American Express. Number 7, Indian Council for Cultural Relations partnered with which technology company to promote Sanskrit? Correct answer option D Google. Number 8, what is the theme of the International Translation Day 2022? Correct answer option A world without barriers. Moitonarak baidi a world without barriers. Taklaini International Translation Day ni theme. Number 9, which Indian personality has won the Changemaker Award at the UNSDG Action Award? Omani correct answer okay? Option A Sri Bakshi. Which city is the host of the 36th National Games of India 2022? Omani correct answer okay? Option C Ahmedabad. Number 11, which state is set to set up world's largest jungle safari park across 10,000 acres? Correct answer option C Haryana. Number 12, India signed a deal with which country to export Pinaka missile system to which country for the first time? Correct answer option B Armenia. Number 13, the third Vande Bharat Express train, which was recently inaugurated in October 2022, runs between which cities? Correct answer Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Option B Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Number 14, which institution regulates the national pension system in India? Option B correct answer Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Number 15, Ajay Kumar Srivastava is the MD and CEO of which public sector bank? Correct answer option B Indian Overseas Bank. Number 16, when is the International Day of Older Persons observed every year? Correct answer option A 1st October. Number 17, which union ministry organized the Saga of Freedom, known and lesser known struggle exhibition? Correct answer option B Ministry of Culture. Number 18, Anopheles stephensi, which was seen in the news, is a species associated with which disease? Correct answer option B Malaria. Number 19, What is the name of the first indigenously developed light combat helicopters? Correct answer option B, Prachand. Number 20. Which union ministry is associated with Yuba 2.0 scheme? Correct answer option A, Ministry of Education. Number 23. Okay, repeating ka. Number 23. Which state assembly has passed a bill to dissolve State Vigilance Commission? Option B, Punjab. Uh, 24. An international team of researchers has found the link between melting ice in which region and the rate of ocean acidification? Correct answer option B, Arctic Ocean. Number 25. Malang City, which houses the Kanjuruhan Football Stadium, is located in which country? Indonesia. Which racing driver won the Formula 1 Singapore Grand Prix 2022 title? Omani correct answer is C, Sergio Perez. Number 27. Corbett Reserve is located in which Indian state? Answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Number 28. Which state government introduced the Asara pension scheme for old people? Correct answer option B, Telangana. 29. Which city is the host of Khadifest 2022 exhibition? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Number 30. Which institutions launched a year-long awareness program, Matdata Junction, in collaboration with All India Radio? Correct answer option B, Election Commission of India. Number 31. Svante Pabo won the 22 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Is geneticist from which country? Correct answer option D, Sweden. Number 32. Which state is the host of the Digital India Conference of State IT Ministers? Correct answer option B, New Delhi. 33. Optimus is the prototype humanoid robot launched by which company? Tesla. Correct answer option B, Tesla. Number 34. As per the government data, what percent of houses constructed under PM Awas Yojana are owned by women? 69%. Option B के correct answer 69%. Number 35. Which Indian business person was honored with the Global Indian Award by the Canada India Foundation? Correct answer option B, Anil Agarwal. Number 36. Kutlaha Pili Parva Tiger Dance competition is organized in which state? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Number 37. Syamji Krishna Bharma, whose birth anniversary was celebrated recently, was a freedom fighter from which country? Which country kisa question wrong na? Which state nai? Syamji Krishna Bharma bo khoroksa freedom fighter bo state ni ganke boke Gujarat ni. Option A hanke correct answer. Number 38. Sivalik Elephant Rivers is located in which state? Option A, Uttarakhand. Number 39. Bharat Skills Forum was launched under which union ministry? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Number 40. Chorabari Glacial Lake region, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? Option A, Uttarakhand. Number 41. President Draupadi Murmu launched her a startup platform for women entrepreneurs in which city? Correct answer option B, Ahmedabad. Number 42. Who is the recipient of 2022 Nansen Award given by UN High Commissioner for Refugees? Correct answer B, Angela Merkel. Number 43. Which union ministry implements the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY? Correct answer option B, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Number 44. Operation Chakra, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which institution? Correct answer option A, CVI. Number 45. Which country is the world's largest producer and consumer of sugar in 2021 to 2022? Correct answer is option A, India. 46. Baltic Pipe natural gas pipeline, which was recently opened, transports natural gas to which country? Correct answer is option B, Poland. 47. Which term is used to define the field of chemistry, which is related to linking molecules like those in living cells? Correct answer option B, click chemistry. 48. Which institution launched the Sustainability Perception Index specs for MSMEs? Omani correct answer ke option C, SIDBI. Number 49. Which Bollywood actor has been declared as the national icon of Election Commission of India in 2022? Correct answer ke option A, Akash Tripathi. Last question which global institution has launched a USD 6 billion financing facility to tackle global food crisis? Correct answer ke option B, International Finance Corporation. Amsuk janano angna rokno plan simi hain hai phunu gi tongo. Number 1 question. Nainati Omo shimia norok description no naidi description box o tongo omoni PDF rijak norok ajakani bo download khainai mano. Mungsawana na nangya oro naime afano tola o link rijak tongo description box o thangai naidi aram se man thangnai. Inke tinin bagwi asugno norok choya wai nai tongdi ani channel lo sajak khangke like share tei subscribe khainani tapokdi jotona hambai.